Now we're going to learn about paragraphs in Part 3, detail sentences. You can watch the video and use the worksheet to take notes and practice while you listen. This video is one of 4 videos that tell all about paragraphs. This video is Part 3, detail sentences. Before you watch Part 3, I would recommend that you watch Part 1 that tells what is a paragraph and Part 2 about the topic sentence. Then, after you watch this video, Part 3, I would recommend that you watch Part 4 about the conclusion sentence. Part 3 of the video explains detail sentences. Now we're going to talk about detail sentences. Detail sentences explain and support the main idea. Sometimes detail sentences give examples. Sometimes detail sentences give reasons. Sometimes detail sentences give steps in a process. Let's look at our paragraph about Anna. The topic sentence is, Anna is an excellent student. The detail sentences are, she is intelligent. She is responsible. Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. Do these detail sentences give examples, reasons, or steps in a process? They give reasons. They all give reasons that the topic sentence is true. They give reasons why Anna is an excellent student. Why? Because she's intelligent, she's responsible, and she always does her homework and is never late for class. Let's change one of the detail sentences. She is responsible. We'll change that sentence to, she is so beautiful. Now, does the new detail sentence explain or support the topic sentence? So, does she is beautiful explain why Anna is an excellent student? No, it doesn't. So this sentence doesn't fit our paragraph because all detail sentences must explain and support the topic sentence. Let's change it again. She always makes A's. What about this detail sentence? Does the new detail sentence explain or support the topic sentence? So, she always makes A's. Does this detail sentence explain why Anna is an excellent student? Yes, it does. So this detail sentence fits the paragraph. Now let's practice detail sentences. What we'll do is read a paragraph and choose one detail sentence that does not belong in the paragraph. I'll read the paragraph aloud. People should not drink soda. Soda is an unhealthy drink. It contains a lot of sugar. This is why soda is so delicious. Also, soda contains caffeine and other chemicals that are not nutritious. For these reasons, people should avoid drinking soda. Question 1. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. This is why soda is so delicious. B. It contains a lot of sugar. Or C. Also, soda contains caffeine and other chemicals that are not nutritious. Pause the video while you choose your answer, and we'll check your answers in a few minutes. Number 2. The best pet to own is a fish. First, fish do not require a lot of space. Secondly, fish are easy to care for. Finally, there are many types of fish that are beautiful, large, small, and exotic, so an owner has many choices of which fish to get. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. For all of these reasons, fish make excellent pets. 2. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. Secondly, Fish are easy to care for. B. Finally, there are many types of fish that are beautiful, large, small, and exotic, so an owner has many choices of which fish to get. Or C. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. Pause the video while you work. And number 3. Children should not play video games. First, children should be active, so playing outside is better than playing video games. Secondly, many video games are violent. However, many video games are not violent. Finally, time spent playing video games could be spent reading or spending time with friends and family. In conclusion, many activities are better for children than playing video games. Question 3. Which detailed sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. Secondly, many video games are violent. B. However, many video games are not violent. Or C. Finally, time spent playing video games could be spent reading or spending time with friends and family. Pause the video while you find the detailed sentence that does not belong. Now let's check our answers. Question 1. Which detailed sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is A. This is why soda is so delicious. Let's mark it out. Now, how do we know that this detailed sentence does not belong? Let's read the topic sentence again. People should not drink soda. So, all detailed sentences in this paragraph should explain why the topic sentence is true. That means all of the detailed sentences need to explain reasons that people should not drink soda. Sentence A, this is why soda is so delicious, does not give a reason that people shouldn't drink soda. In fact, this sentence gives a reason that people should or might want to drink soda. Sentences B and C both do give reasons that people shouldn't drink soda. So those sentences belong in the paragraph. A does not belong. Question 2. Which detailed sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is C. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. Now, how do we know that that sentence doesn't belong? Again, let's look back at the topic sentence. The best pet to own is a fish. All detailed sentences in this paragraph need to explain why the topic sentence is true. They need to explain why the best pet to own is a fish. Sentence C, of course, some fish are ugly and strange, doesn't tell us why the best pet to own is a fish. In fact, that sentence tells us a reason not to own a fish. So that sentence doesn't belong. Sentences A and B both do give us reasons why the best pet to own is a fish. So those sentences do belong in the paragraph. Question 3. Which detailed sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is B. However, many video games are not violent. How do we know that that sentence doesn't belong? Let's look again at the topic sentence. Children should not play video games. Every detailed sentence in this paragraph should give reasons that the topic sentence is true. So, they should give reasons that children should not play video games. But sentence B actually gives a reason that it might be okay to play video games. So B doesn't belong. Sentences A and C do give us reasons that children should not play video games. So those sentences do belong in the paragraph. Detailed sentences, more practice. Instructions. Each pair has a topic sentence and a detailed sentence. label each one. Number 1, A. The best pet is a dog. B. One reason is because dogs are friendly. Is A a topic sentence or a detail sentence? And what about B? Is it a topic sentence or a detail sentence? Number 2, A. Broccoli has iron and vitamin K. B. Vegetables are healthy. Number 3, A. Biologists study living organisms. And B. One organism biologists study is cells. And finally, number 4, A. Some species of flowers are dangerous. B. Hogweed flowers can burn your skin. Pause the video while you work. Now let's check our answers. Number 1A is a topic sentence. B is a detail sentence. How do we know this is true? Because detail sentences give reasons or examples that explain that topic sentences are true. So, detail sentence B, one reason is because dogs are friendly, gives us a reason that the topic sentence A is true. It gives us a reason why the best pet is a dog. Number 2, A is a detail sentence and B is a topic sentence. Why? Because detail sentence A, broccoli has iron and vitamin K. This gives us an example that helps explain the topic sentence B, that vegetables are healthy. Number 3, A is a topic sentence and B is a detail sentence. Why? Well, the topic sentence A says biologists study living organisms, and detail sentence B gives us an example of an organism that biologists study. Detail sentence B says one organism biologists study is cells. Number 4, A is a topic sentence and B is a detail sentence. How do we know that's correct? Let's look at detail sentence B. Hogweed flowers can burn your skin. This is an example that topic sentence A is true. This is an example that some species of flowers. Detail sentences, the end. Our detail sentences practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what a detail sentence is and what it does in a paragraph. Thank you for watching.